Bakit nga ba hinahide or binabury ng dogs mo ang mga toys nila? Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. I've been an animal welfare advocate for close to 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Bakit nga ba hinahide or binabury ng dogs mo ang mga toys nila? This instinct comes from their wild ancestors. Yung pagsastore ng food for later. Some dogs do this when they're nervous or when they're possessive. Now, anong gawin mo? Observe patterns. You can provide a toy box or lalagyanan ng toys niya or a safe place for their treasures. Kunyari, may basket kang maliit dun sa isang corner or meron silang sariling kahon. Avoid scolding ha. Let them feel safe when keeping their things. Remember, respecting their behavior strengthens trust and security. Share this tip with fellow dog parents para safe at happy ang toys ng dogs nila.